Alrighty guys, what is going on? Welcome back to the Best Investing Money Management channel on YouTube. In today's video, we are going to be talking about the top 3 stocks to buy under $20 per share. Now, anytime we make one of these videos talking about, under a certain amount of money, I just have a couple of things I want to let you guys know before we start the video. Well, obviously, it's always better to invest into a high quality stock that's maybe a little more than $20 or $30. A lot of brokers now offer fraction shares, so if some of these stocks don't meet your needs, that's completely fine. Also guys, most of these stocks are going to be higher risk, higher reward plays, so you can make a ton of money off them in the long run, or you could make very little. Obviously this is all my opinion, so let's start off with stock number 1. Stock number 1 goes without saying. It's probably one of my favorite stocks that I'm absolutely getting hammered on right now, and that is SoFi Technologies. SoFi Technologies is a fantastic company. It's a fintech stock, so it's a financial technology company. They make a ton of money. They're a huge competitor with sites like Robinhood, M1 Finance, Thinkorswim, Fidelity, and virtually every single bank. It's an online bank and broker that you can buy stocks, cryptocurrency, you can have a loan refinance, and you can have a debit or credit card. I personally use the site, and it's actually very, very easy to use, which honestly made me want to invest in the company. And you guys can see it was doing very, very well. A lot of consolidation, hit up here at about $24, stair step down to find some support at $14, bounced up to $16, and pretty much has been getting hammered all the way down below $6.44. Now, yes, I understand a lot of people are freaking out, stating, okay, we've seen the stock getting hammered, but at the end of the day, looking at their revenue, they bring in a lot of money. They brought in about $297 million, which was a huge surprise for the company. Did very well on their earnings per share. You can see it right when they announced it. The initial stock went from $8.82 all the way up to about $12.90. And then it sold off just because of kind of everything going on with the market right now. If we look at the S&P 500 or a ticker SPY, you guys can see we've seen a lot of general sell-off. So anytime we invest into these higher growth, higher risk stocks, they're going to be more volatile, especially with everything going on in the market. But that's my first one. Stock number 2 is another one that the chart looks very similar, right? We've seen a lot of great growth, and then it just has gotten hammered. So this one is Palantir Technologies, ticker symbol PLTR. You can see it did have some pretty decent support up here. It bounced all the way up to 45. And looking at their earnings, right, they did very, very, very well. And even on the past one, they did bring in a lot of money, but they did miss their EPS, which is pretty common. Now, one of the reasons why I love this one as of right now is because it's right on a pretty hard support line, right? If we actually draw this out, you guys can see it pretty clear, right? You can see it tapped it down in here once, it tapped it here twice, 3 times. And given that the stock is sold off down underneath $10, for me, this is an absolute bargain. This is a data and software company that have hundreds of millions of dollars of deals with the government, and they keep renewing them, which is a very, very good thing. So they're not going to close anytime soon. This is just a stock that I personally think could easily hit, back up to highs at 45 in the next 5 years. It's a good stock, obviously higher risk, higher reward play, but it's definitely worth having in your portfolio for sure. Now the next one here, and the last and final one here, is ticker symbol AMPL. Now this is another data and development company. This one here, very similar to all the other stocks, guys. Initial move, stock went all the way from $50 all the way up to $87. Stock stair step down, released some earnings, which was actually pretty decent earnings, right? Looking at it, they brought in $50 million. The total year revenue was $167. And when they announced that, you guys can see the stock went from 40 all the way down to 16. Companies go through hard times all the time. And the beauty of this stock here is its digital optimization. They pretty much teach companies how, one, they can make more money. They've gotten a ton of traction, and they have just over 1,500 paying members as of the end of the year 2021, which is a 54% increase. So they pretty much teach companies how they can become more digital optimized. You guys can see, looking at the past earnings, pretty decent, right? The company brings in a lot of money, definitely more of a smaller company that could easily fall below, 10, 15, $15 a share before we see highs again. Stocks that's going to be a little more volatile. And given that everything we've seen in the general market, a stock like this that had their recent IPO is going to get absolutely hammered. So for me, it's definitely worth having in my portfolio. Looking at just the general market, we can see just all of the volatility, right? A lot of people have been freaking out because we're starting to do kind of the stair step effect where we had that general trend line down and it just keeps selling off. As long as you guys have a long-term outlook, guys, you guys will be okay. The market fluctuates. There's no such thing as a market that just constantly goes up in the short term, right? There's going to be volatility, but as long as you have that long-term outlook, everything always pans out for the long-term investor. Look at that. The 10-year chart looks absolutely beautiful. So I definitely think, as long as we have this long-term outlook, I think the long term is going to be fantastic. But these are the top 3 stocks under $20. Hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, hit that like button, subscribe. We will see you guys later. Remember to stay happy, stay positive, stay safe out there, and we will see you guys later. Take care.